Hey guys, welcome back. Margot,
Yes.
what do you want me to draw today?
A cute rocket.
A space rocket?
Cute.
Yeah, but the space rocket.
Yes.
Okay, we like space rockets here.
Really?
Do we? Yeah, we do. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward, to be honest. Let's first of all to start with the main shape of the space rocket, which is almost a sort of triangle. No, it's the capsule or whatever it is called, like that one. And then we have, just for closing it, a little curved line, and then we can go with the base space rocket. So we finalize that part there, like that, exactly. And then we have the what they call wings, probably. Let's say we can go with something like that, and on the other side something like that. Yes, that works. Then an important thing about space rockets is a circle in the middle, because do you know what this circle is?
It's a window.
Yes.
You know I said it right.
Yeah, I can hear you. So I was asking you by the way. So we have a window in here, and let's have another circle in there, and little circles here, because we have, the screws or whatever they are for locking it down. And then we're gonna have a few lines just to show that there are different parts of these space rockets. Let's see, we can do like that, and that. Oh, and we have, yes, obviously, little screws in here as well. And let's say little screws in here, and usually they are on both sides when it comes to rockets and stuff like that. And we could have 3 screws here as well, just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then obviously the fire that can be here. Yes, and eventually you can color this later like red and yellow and whatever. And because we are doing
You forgot something.
what?
The door.
Oh, the door. We can just make like a pretend door here. Ta-da!
Why would a door be beside the wing?
I don't know. I'm not a rocket scientist.
And you can put it right there.
No, it was too small. Instead, there you can see it. And the last thing that we are missing is
Nothing.
no, a little face in here. I want a little face in here.
Cute one.
Yeah, like yes. Happy face.
Wait, I got an idea.
What idea?
You can make the window smile.
Yeah, the windows is mine. He's
How
smiling.
will the window smile?
Because it's a magic rocket, a creature rocket. It's a robot rocket or whatever.
It is a robot. A rocket is a robot.
Oh no, not really, but still. Okay, what do you think, guys? I think that's pretty cute.
It's not pretty cute. It's adorable.
It's an adorable space rocket.
Oh, I know what pretty cute means.
Yeah.
It's pretty and it's cute. Pretty cute.
Yes, exactly. So, guys, that's it for today. We have our rocket there.
Why won't we do
2 more? Okay, well, we can do some other now. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, well, see you in our next one, which is pretty much now because Margot is asking for it. Bye-bye.
2 more.